A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 70. Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Bamberg County in central South Carolina, Warrensburg County in central South Carolina until 10:45 a.m. At 10:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 11 miles west of Edexter Gardens to 6 miles northeast of Elmer to Mary Steele, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Bamberg, Denmark, Brookdale, Holly Hill, Branchville, Bowman, Ellery, Santee State Park, Claflin College, South Carolina State University, Warrensburg County Airport, Rivers Bridge State Park, Edexter Gardens, Santee, Earhart, Cameron, Norway, Roseville, and Oler. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 147 and 169. Interstate 95 between mile markers 85 and 104. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for central South Carolina. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.